happened in the Grand Prix so far? Let's start with qualifying sessions. He's back, and I'm not talking about Mark. Bagnaia took the pole at Sepang. Like the Phoenix, I've risen from my ashes and I'm going to win.
Well, careful, you don't end up in flames and crash again.
Now that we know who made the pole, it's about time to talk about the spring race. And let's start with the replay of the start with our minis. Oh, let's go. It's about time to activate the Japan mode. During the race, Aldegar made it into P3. During his fight for podium, he had a classic moment in MiniBikers. Let's go! We did this all that will become the Rookie of the Year! First you will have to beat me, I won't give up! Oh, there's no way I will end this season without crashing! And victory for Bagnaia at the sprint race! Let's see the replay of the finish line with our minis! Yeah, and I did it! Finally I'm winning again! Yeah! Ahoo! Achoo! And that's all for today! Let's find out the weather for this Grand Prix with Dark Winnie!
No rain expected, but everything can happen in Sepang.
And what are your predictions for this race?
Why not repeat the same result? Peko, Alex, and Aldegar.
Thank you, Darmini. Follow our social networks for more MiniBikers. Goodbye and be mini good. And this video wouldn't be possible without the support